Here we are again. Today we have a new Octo Classic product, and these are the triangles for the door assembly. I was really happy about this, so I had to buy it. Let's check what's under the mystery bubble wrap. Okay, so here we go. Nice reproduction with leather. Real nice. The issue with these, due time disc brakes on the original ones, and the leather recedes at this point. So basically this is going, due to sun and usage, to shrink, and then we can all see the edge here, which we really don't like. The installation is quite simple. You pull the old one out and install the new one in, but that in my next video of the assembly. Okay, so here we are. The installation of the old one, you basically just pull it out. So as mentioned, the defects on the old ones, as you can see, as that the leather is receding and this one breaks. So we have the new one. What you have to be careful is that you go inside here, and please take care of the groove. It goes nicely, and then you have to click it. That's that.